Hi everyone, Ryan and Terry from Gray's Classic Cars and Bikes.
How you doing?
We just wanted to show this Quacker 900's just come in. Now, Terry, I believe same owner for over 20 years.
Over 20 years the guy's had it for. It's had a light restoration done some time ago. It's been done exceptionally well.
The bike presents like it's brand new to me.
It does, and it rides nice as well. I've just been for a squirt around the car park on it.
Now tell me a bit about this. Is called the Jaffa colour, isn't it?
This is the Jaffa, obviously because of the candy orange, but it's quite a sought after colour scheme.
Yep.
Like even when they brought the Z900 out again in a modern version, the first model they did in Jaffa and it just sold out.
That's in the new retro ones.
Yeah, the retro. So the Jaffa's always been a popular colour.
So this is an Australian bike?
Australian bike.
Matching numbers?
Matching numbers. And had the restoration done, and it rides and looks as good as new.
And of course these things were made famous in Australia back in the movie Stone, back in the very early 70s.
Z900s.
Yep. They really put these bikes on the map, and they've always been a good solid collector's bike. These are the Honda 4s, but these are definitely the most collectible out of the two.
Yeah, well, Kawasaki, back in the day when they were designing this bike, were watching what Honda was doing, and then Honda sort of come out with the Honda 4, and they actually were going to bring this bike out as a 750. Okay. So when they've seen the Honda 4 do that, they've sort of gone back to the drawing board and go, we need to be bigger and better, hence Z900. So that's how that come about back in the day. But like I say, they've always been a very dominant bike. They're a cracker collector model. Yeah, when usually there's a collection around, there's always a Z900 amongst them, without a doubt.
And this is the hero colour, the most popular colour you can get in them?
Yep, in the Jaffa.
So this one comes up in about a week's time at Gray's. If you want any more information on it, give us a call on 1300 Classic or shoot us an email to classic@grays.com.au. And we also do have the bike at our Pink and Bar facility if you want to pop in and have a look at it. But fantastic bike, fantastic condition, very collectible, and probably one of the nicest ones we've seen.
Yep.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.